I grew mugwort in my garden so that I could go to sleep. I never thought about smoking it. In this video, we are going to determine if mugwort, flowers, lavender, any kind of herb is beneficial to smoke or is it unsafe. If you're interested, keep watching. Hello, I am Shadera from Healing Force Wellness. I am a nurse and a thriving herbalist. I am here to tell you everything that you would want to know about trending health topics, things that happen in the ER that you can prevent, and everything health and wellness so that you can have an alternative. So, today's question is, smoking herbs, is it safe? Medically, no. None of it. Anything that you smoke is an irritant to your lungs, especially because of the tar and because of the carbon monoxide that is a irritant. So either way is a little bit risky. Now, I know people are smoking mugwort, lavender, rose for all different kind of reasons, and mugwort has so many benefits that I can see you doing it if you are trying to stop the mouth to hand movements. If you are addicted to nicotine, I would just say don't make a habit of it. Now, because I am a medical professional, I can't say I want you to do this, don't do that. I'm just going to say move at your own risk. So,
Real quick, guys, before we get started, this is a federal lawsuit against between the FTC and a company called Glory or Pure Cigarette Company, and they claim to sell herbal cigarettes that are nicotine free and they taste so good, and they have jasmine, rose, lavender, all the things that we like, and they want to know if you want one. The FTC was not having it. So the final ruling was that the company was out of order and that the cigarettes do pose a risk because of, like I said, the carbon monoxide. I just wanted to show you that. Oh, and the company, they sold it and bought a funeral home too. All right,
the
here we go.
first thing I'm going to tell you in this video is the contradictions who should not if someone has died, and how to grow it, and the benefits. So long story short, smoke, no. Drink, absolutely. I know that it says mugwort is, for the most part, it does not have any side effects, which is great for those of us that are not allergic to it. But if you're allergic to it, you can go into anaphylactic shock. I'm going to show you an article that has all the listings of the allergies that of use. Let me see if I can highlight it for you. It's here. If you can see my cursor. If a person, here we go. If a person is allergic to any of the A. vogularis, which is mugwort, you cannot come into contact, especially if you have asthma or bronchitis. What it will do is act on the IgE antibody, and it will make you have an anaphylactic reaction or shock. And in asthma, this is something that you do not want to be involved with. Now, some things that you can, how would you know? If you are allergic to birch, cabbage, grasses, hazelnuts, honey, pollen, sweet pepper, royal jelly, sunflower, kiwi, peach, mango, apple, celery, and carrot. So you do not want to be smoking mugwort or eating it or drinking it for that matter. Another contradiction is pregnancy. Mugwort has the ability to make you bleed for your cycle. They use that in the European culture to help bring on your cycle or make it easier. So this is going to cause you some cramping. This is something that you want to avoid if you are trying to get pregnant, if you are newly diagnosed. You don't want to be in the position to where you have a adverse event. All right, we are in my herbal database. Let's open this up. Mugwort. I told you nausea, vomiting, seizures. It helps you with pain, anxiety, sleep. If you're looking for lucid dreaming, check, you got it. I will double up on the dosage. And then also for when you're preparing it in tea, you would want to use the 1 ounce to 8 ounces. And then also I wouldn't add more than 3 or 4 different herbs to it, just to make sure. So if you like it, if you want to smoke it, you can, but I don't think you should. When I did, it was okay. I don't plan on doing it again. For me, the lucid dreaming, now I did smoke mugwort, and let me show you what I got. This was a nice little blend. It did taste pretty good, but like I said, you can't make a habit out of it. All right, growing mugwort is not terribly hard. I like to grow my own herbs because I want to make sure of the quality of the fertilizer and all that kind of stuff to make sure it stays organic. And what I did is I ordered a plant from Etsy from a seller, a starter plant. And at first I started off in a concrete garden in the holes because you need to keep it contained because it will grow and it'll take over everything, and it'll even stop some other things from growing. It's so common and easy to grow, you can't kill it, okay? It won't die. So let me show you how I started off and then where I am now. So if you want mugwort, buy your starter plant, drill some holes in a container pot in the bottom, you're good to go. That'll keep it contained. Let me show you how.
That's it, guys. Here is a smoke blend for you if you want to try it. And of course, all the links are in the description.